Clicker games. We've all played these in the past, whether it's at school, at work, or just to kill time. The incredibly simple game mechanic allows everyone of all types and ages to enjoy it. In this video, I'll be creating one in 24 hours. Let's see how this goes. By the way, I'm a beginner, so don't bully me, please. It's currently 10 PM and I'm about to start making the game. I was supposed to start early this morning, but some guests came over. I started by creating a new Unity project. Now we need something to click on, cause this is a clicker game after all. So I got an image of a baguette from Google and slapped it into Unity. I made a text that displays the amount of baguettes. After that, I created a simple script that increases the baguettes variable when the baguette is clicked. Boom! We're done. We have a clicker game. Thanks for watching the video. Remember to like and subscribe. Share this video with your friends, your parents, your grandma, your grandpa, your uncle, your auntie, and your neighbors. Just kidding. There's way more to a clicker game than just clicking. There's clicking, upgrades, and clicking. I made an upgrade that increases your baguettes per click by 1 every time it's bought. The cost also increases cause that's just game logic. I then added a second upgrade. It's a baker that makes 1 baguette for you every second. The upgrades right now are kinda OP though, so we gotta balance that out later. I decided that the player starts off in their mom's basement, so I got this basement image from Google, blurred it in Photoshop, and smashed it into Unity. Speaking of smashing, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like the smash button real quick. Thanks. Back to the video. Right now, clicking the baguette isn't really satisfying, and we all know that satisfying games are the best games. So I tried shrinking the baguette every time it's clicked to emphasize the clicking, but I couldn't get it to work, and given that I only have 24 hours, I said that and moved on. Overall, I'm pretty happy with what I managed to do in a couple hours. We've got the foundations down, and tomorrow we just gotta expand on it. It was also getting late, so I went to bed to refresh my mind. After my basketball training, I got back to work on the game with around 8 hours left. So I just realized that I haven't been recording for the past 2 hours. Fuck! Why am I so stupid, man? Anyways, I made a new upgrade called Uncle. It hires an uncle that makes baguettes for you, but instead of 0.1 per second, it makes 0.3. I know, right? Big improvement. I also made a scrolling system so you can scroll through the massive selection of upgrades. It was quite easy to implement actually. All you had to do was to add a scroll rack component to the panel you want to scroll through and make an image with a mask too. Boring! I made a script that hides the upgrades tab when it's clicked to make the UI cleaner. After that, I added a store that sells bananas, cause why not? It costs 10,000 baguettes and right now it has no use. I also added this water gun to the store. Yeah, this game's weird. Damn, time goes quick. 6 hours left. And I decided to tackle something I've never done before. A saving system. Since this entire game is basically just a bunch of variables, the saving system shouldn't be that hard to make. Luckily, the tutorial I've been following on YouTube explains how to make a save and load system. After that, I created a reset system that resets all your saved data to allow you to reset the game. How many times did I say reset? God damn. This reset button needs to be put somewhere and the UI is already looking really messy. So I made a menu that'll store the reset button and the level selection. I quickly threw together this inventory tab. It shows you the amount of bananas you have and other items. Right now the only item it displays is the banana though. We're approaching the end of the 24 hours with only around 1.5 hours left, and instead of adding some upgrades to make the game more complete, I decided to add a whole new level. Yeah, with less than 2 hours left. I know. The second level will be the moon, but not just any moon. A gorilla infested moon. What is this game, man? It's gonna cost 100 bananas to enter and each banana is 10,000 baguettes. So 10,000 times 100 is a lot. Yeah, so it's gonna take some time to get this level. At first, the level was gonna be a whole new scene with different currencies and upgrades, but I didn't have enough time for that, so I just made a background change whenever the level was bought. 1 hour left. Since I spent so long in the moon level, I was unable to add new upgrades. I quickly made an oven upgrade that increases the baguette production by 5. I did a few tweaks and balances to the upgrades, and before I knew it, the 24 hours was over. So this is the game after 24 hours. As you can see, we can click on the baguette to increase our baguette count. We can also open this tab to reveal some upgrades. We have 4 upgrades in total: a baker, an uncle, an oven, and a click upgrade. We can use these upgrades to increase our baguettes per second. On the right side, there's another tab. This one is a store that sells bananas and water guns. When the menu is clicked, the game pauses and here we can restart or buy other levels. The only other level for now is the Gorilla Moon, which costs 100 bananas. I didn't accomplish as much as I wanted with this game, mostly because I had other things to do in the 24 hours. I would say that I spent less than 10 hours on the actual game dev. Other than that, I enjoyed it a lot. If you want me to release this game, comment down below. I'll add more features and upgrades to make the game more complete. If you enjoyed this video, consider liking the smash button and subscribing for more content. I work very hard on these videos, so it would be greatly appreciated. That's it from me. Peace.
Bye.